Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm diving into a topic many of you have asked about: how to make your sperm thicker and stronger. So if you are looking to boost your fertility or just improve your overall productive health, stick around. We'll cover diets, lifestyle changes, and some key supplements that can make a real difference. So first, let's understand what makes sperm healthy. Sperm health is determined by three main factors: quantity, motility, and morphology. Quantity refers to the number of sperm present. Motility is about how well sperm can move. Morphology refers to the shape and structure of the sperm. Wow. To improve these factors, I need to focus on your overall health, which includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding harmful substances. Let's break it down step by step. A balanced diet is crucial for healthy sperm. Here are some foods that can help you. Number 1. Walnuts, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts can improve vitality and motility. Number 2. Dark leafy greens. Spinach and kale are packed with folate, which is essential for sperm production. Number 3. Fruits and vegetables. High in antioxidants, these help protect sperm from damages. Berries, oranges, and bell peppers are great choices too. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Loaded with zinc, which is crucial for testosterone production and sperm development. Number 5. Eggs. High in protein and vitamin E. Eggs help protect sperm cells from damage. So, here's a quick smoothie recipe that is perfect for sperm health. We'll use spinach, blueberries, a banana, and a handful of nuts, and some almond milk. Blend it all together, and we've got a nutrient-packed drink that is great for your reproductive health. Now, let's talk about lifestyle changes. Your habits can significantly impact your sperm health. Number 1. Exercise regularly. Moderate exercise boosts testosterone levels and improves sperm quality. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. That's about 4 days or 3 days of the week. Number 2. Reduce stress. High stress levels can negatively impact sperm production. Techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercise can help manage stress. Number 3. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking reduces sperm count and motility, while excessive alcohol can lower testosterone levels and sperm quality. Number 4. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Poor sleep can lead to lower testosterone levels and poor sperm quality. Sometimes diet alone is not enough, and supplements can provide that extra boost. So here are key supplements to consider. Number 1. Zinc supports testosterone production and sperm development. Number 2. Vitamin C, an antioxidant that improves sperm motility and protects against oxidative stress. Number 3. Vitamin D, linked to higher testosterone levels and better sperm quality. Number 4. Coenzyme Q10, which improves sperm motility by enhancing cellular energy. Number 5. Folic acid works with zinc to improve sperm quality. Finally, let's talk about things to avoid. Certain habits and exposures can negatively impact your sperm health. So, number 1 is heat exposure. Avoid hot baths, saunas, and tight underwear. Higher temperatures can decrease sperm production. Number 2, chemicals. Be cautious of exposure to pesticides, heavy metals, and other environmental toxins. Number 3, poor diet. Avoid processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats. This can lead to inflammation and poor sperm health. And there you have it, guys. By making these dietary and lifestyle changes, you can improve the thickness and strength of your sperm. Remember, consistency is key. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button in this video for more tips. See you next time. Bye.